From the Home tab, tap on the Exercise tab. Then tap on the plus symbol at the top left corner of your screen. From this screen you can add the name of the exercise, primary as well as secondary muscle groups, equipment, exercise type, whether this is a rep, timed, or distance-based exercise. You can add your own exercise description and an image for the exercise. Once you are satisfied with your custom exercise, tap Done at the top right corner of your screen. Your new exercise should appear within your exercise library. Pro tip: you can create a custom exercise list to store all of your custom exercises in, or any of your favorites from the Gymaholic library. Tap the plus symbol below the search bar and name your list. Tap Done. Now when viewing any exercise within Gymaholic, tap the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen. Add to group, and select a group. The exercise will now appear within your custom group. In order to create custom exercises in Gymaholic, one must be subscribed to the premium version of the app.